Let's see if this thing is working. Is it working? Man, it looks like YouTube has like switched things up for the stream. You know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys are doing well. The bulls are ramping, guys. We have CPI coming in hot tomorrow morning, GDP, and core PCE to close the week. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. We are back again. Welcome back to another episode of the Infinity Show. Let's go, guys. It was an interesting morning. Went overboard on a 150K, but everything else felt really good. I have figured out how to trade ovate like I trade oh boy, what's happening with this? All right, I think it's working. Hold on. Yeah, my stream had to like reset itself. That was weird. I think we're good now though. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Flat. All right, cool. But yeah, the bulls are ramping, guys. They are flying. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. Resume. Whoa. All right, cool. We're good. What a push, man. So yeah, like I was saying, now I can trade ovate like I trade TOPSTEP. In the last 2 days have felt decent because now I'm trading off of the chart rather than off of the DOM. So that's going to help tremendously. Because on TOPSTEP, when I trade off of the chart, I'm way more lethal. Way more lethal. So we'll see. Trade ovate. All right, cool. Yeah, daily candles look really good, man. Daily candles look good. Wow. 1,000-point rip for NQ yesterday. That was insane. We literally tapped 24,000 and ripped to 25,000. That was insane. Part of it was the Iran news, but definitely very interesting. A heck of a push back up. Heck of a push back up. But yeah, overall good day. Down like 900 across all the funded accounts. It's just because of one account, man. On the 150K, I played a little too big. Played with a 2-3 minis and got caught up in 2 or 3 bad plays. So that's what tanked my P&L for the day, but it's cool. All the other accounts did fine. This account is getting close. All of a sudden, we're getting close to payout with the new, with my newfound strategy on trade ovate. It's not a newfound. It's just I'm trading it like I trade TOPSTEP. Now I can trade off of the screen, which is way better than playing with this clunky thing over here. This thing is annoying. This thing over here, man, sometimes it glitches up and the price action takes off and I'm trying to like look at the chart and the DOM at the same time. So, and I just figured this out. Now I can squeeze. Didn't know I could squeeze the chart like that. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I want to see how March pans out. The payout drought is over, so now I gotta keep it going, man. I have to keep it going. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I think YouTube. Hold on one second, guys. Heck of a rip for the Bulls. All right, guys, let's test this out. We're gonna figure this thing out. Oh. All right, I think we're good now. Yeah, that was weird. I think YouTube has finally incorporated the shorts along with the vertical stream, but I don't know. I have to play with it first. I have to play with it so I can make sure it works. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Hope you guys are doing well. So the goal for this month is to lock in Apex, man. For the first time in a long time. As soon as I start on TOPSTEP, I get a payout because of the way I trade on TOPSTEP X. But I just have never adjusted the DOM on TradeOver. Now that I've figured out how to trade on the chart, yeah, it feels a lot more fluid when I'm in a play. A lot more fluid. The DOM was all over the place. I would click the wrong button. The DOM would stop spinning. It was crazy. So now, because I'm sitting here like, man, on TOPSTEP I'm doing okay. Whenever I come to TradeOver to trade these Apex accounts, it's an issue. And it feels like this was the issue. Trying to trade off of this thing. While the price action's moving around on the chart, I'm looking at the DOM, I'm looking at the chart, I'm looking at the DOM, I'm looking at the chart. It's like my focus is split. But when I attack from the chart, I can move my stop. I was trying to move my stop on this thing, and yeah, it just wasn't quick enough. But when I trade on the chart, I can move my stop a lot quicker, and I can focus on the price action. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in the next couple of weeks. CPI is coming in hot tomorrow. Nice drop. We're getting back to 1 minute 200 SMA. Down from, does 25K get challenged again? I doubt it. There's a lot of support levels down below, so I think the bulls we might get a slight pullback, but I think the bulls will hold on. Tomorrow is going to be very, very, very interesting. We will see what happens. We will see what happens. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, sometimes I touch my trackpad. If it's on the wrong thing, it's gonna click something that I don't want it to click. It'll end the stream on me. Shout out to everybody in the chat. But yeah, heck of a push, man. Iran news sent us north. Sent us all the way north. Apex Clippers, what's going on? So yeah, this account is all of a sudden using the new Tradeovate method like 1,000 away from payout. So I gotta keep this going. This week will prove to me if this is real or not. Let's see if this thing is real. By Friday, I will know. I will know. Playing off of the chart on Tradeovate, man, it has allowed me to it just gives me a different view. The view I have been looking for on Tradeovate. Because I did a lot of research. I was looking over, watching other traders, how they trade on Tradeovate, and they trade off the chart. I haven't really seen anybody trade off the DOM. I did have success with the DOM, early, but I think since when I first started trading futures, that was a year or two ago. But I think maybe I'm incorporating micros now, so it's the way I see NQ has adjusted since the beginning. It's not the same way, so yeah, I don't look at it the same like I did in the beginning. I have a lot more respect for NQ. NQ is not a game. NQ's range is not a game. So yeah, we'll see. This is going to be interesting. So tomorrow I'm going to the goal is to try to pass some 150Ks. Because the one I had, I kind of torched it. There's not much left in there. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. Very interesting, man. I gotta lock in. Let's see how March ends up. And if I can get a week or two under my belt with this Tradeovate work, and if I see the results, I'll be okay. Then I can adjust from there. Pull back to 25,100. Let's see if she can hold. Very interesting, man. Very interesting. All it takes is a tweak or two, man, and then you're back in action. So let's see what's up. We are going to see how March ends up. Oh yeah, I gotta adjust that chart. Let me see. Yeah, daily charts look good, man. Big bounce, huge bounce. Huge bounce. Let me adjust this thing. I gotta close some of these programs. I'm glitching a little bit. Let's see. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Are we good? Let me see. Let's close some things. Okay. Yeah, I have a lot of windows up. What can we exit? Oh, let me see. All right, let's see. Exit, exit, exit. What is this? Whoa. I don't think that's the same thing. Let me exit out of that. All right, I think we should be all right. Let me see. Still a little glitchy. Dang, I gotta get rid of all of this, guys. Let me see. Whoa. Nice pullback. Bears are pushing down for the time being. So we'll see. Boom, that's gotta go. It's gotta go. Hold on 1 second. All right, I think we're good now. Yeah, I've just had a lot of programs up. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, try it. All right, cool. We have a 1 hour 1200 EMA. I'm trying to get the level. That's a big level. It's sitting at 25,174. And last week's high, that's at 250. 174 to, call it 175 to 250 key level. What a bounce, man. Jeez. Heck of a bounce. And we have some fresh, I just saw that. Got some fresh 1 hour FEG. If you're on the short stream, come over to the vertical stream. There's two streams going on. The short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. All right, it looks like YouTube has combined the vertical with the with the horizontal. So now I gotta figure something out. If it's gonna, how does it incorporate with like my current settings? So I gotta figure that out. Happy Tuesday, guys. Tomorrow's Wednesday. CPI is coming in hot. We'll see what happens. Nice push by the Bulls, though. Definitely a nice push. From the lows, heck of a bounce. Heck of a bounce. Look at that, man. 1,000 points plus. Sheesh. 1,000 points plus, man. Short stream. Tweezy, what's going on, man? Shout out to Tweezy in the building. Yo, if you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Shout out to Tweezy, man. How's everything going? Analytics. Yeah, that's interesting. Stream key. It's like I have to like update stream key. Oh man, hold on. Looks like we're getting a bounce off of 25,100 clean bounce. Wow. Round numbers on NQ, powerful. There's a 5-minute FEG too from earlier. Price came back and retested. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to see like what the rest of the month looks like. Now that I can trade off the chart on TradeOvate, it's gonna be interesting. And I can get back on my Apex run, man. It's been rough, man. Last couple months have been rough. Trying to figure it out. Like, what am I doing wrong? My chart analysis, all of that is still good. I'm like, yo, is it just my execution? But I could feel an instant difference when I figured out how to trade on the chart on TradeOvate. Immediately, I was like, uh-oh, okay. Yes, that is the goal. Positive impact. But yeah, green on all the other accounts. I just went overboard on a 150K. Went overboard. I was playing with like 2 or 3 minis. I was trying to run it up, but got clapped in the process. I should have stopped though. I had a mental stop. And it flew past my mental stop. I got caught in the volatility close to the open. All right, man. Yeah, bulls have done well, man. They held the line for sure. They definitely held the line. One-hour charts, that 1250 level is key. 25, the 250 level, that's what I was trying to say. 250 level is key. Between 175 and 250, plenty of, could be some turbulence. Because 250 is the 1200 EMA. On the 1 hour chart. That's a heavy level right there. All right, guys. Let's see. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, that's weird. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. If you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream. You can see things a lot better. Keep on going. All right. let me try to optimize this thing. I still have like a lot of, if I'm watching to see if I glitch. I still am glitching a little bit. Let me see. All right, let me just exit this guy out. Yeah, I think it's my YouTube. Other pages should be fine. Should be good now. Anything else over here? Yeah, man, when you stream, you gotta exit everything because it pulls so much bandwidth. Bandwidth. All right, man. Oh, I think we're good now. We have recalibrated. The extra screen slow things down. Yeah, clean. All right, we'll go. We got a little bit of turbulence up here. We'll see how the bulls can figure things out, because it's a fresh 4-hour candle. Just started 5 minutes ago, so we'll see. Fresh 4-hour candle. This will take us to 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. There is some turbulence, so we'll see if they can hold. Any 15-minute, we got like a volume insufficiency, like 143, but other than that, we'll see if the bulls can hold. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I don't know if I added, did I add? Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream so you can see the screen a little better. There are 2 streams going at the same time. Inside. All right. I think we're good now though. I had too many windows open, so I was glitching a little bit earlier. Glitching a bit. Stream key. Yeah, we're kind of falling off from these gaps up here. 200 SMA is about to get challenged again on the 1 minute. That's at like 140 in the 140s. So we'll see if the bears want to spin it for a little bit. If they do spin it, how far do they spin it down? That will be the question. But overall, bulls, solid daily candle. Daily candle looks strong. Did I look at the weekly candle too? Let me see. Yeah, weekly candle looks. The weekly candle has come to life. Jeez. Yeah, weekly candle has come back to life. 5-minute FEGs up above. 1 minute FEGs up above. 175 to 250 is going to be treacherous a little bit, because we have 1200 EMA on the 1 hour. That's a big level from a 1 hour perspective. Let's see if they aim for swing low. Get back to 100, we'll see. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading? What do you trade? If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the pinned comment. Oh yeah, let me double check this. I'm still glitching a little bit. I exited everything. Oh, maybe these guys? Let me get rid of this. Let's see. All right, maybe that'll work too. I don't know. That might have been part of it. Ooh. Yeah, it just got a lot quicker. All right, we'll take it. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, we're on here until the close. Let's see what happens. Yeah, they're pulling it back. Let's see if they challenge 25-100. Ooh. On the ground. Hold on, what? They're saying we seem to be on the path toward deploying American troops on the ground in Iran. X Money early public access. X Money? Oh, Lord. That's going to be interesting. Whoa. X Money. Wonder what that is. Someone said I should stream on Twitter as well. Let me see. The Zorro Ranch. What? Malt's book. Pentagon says U.S. won't end Iran war until enemy is defeated. Oh, man. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, it looks like we're going to chop around. Maybe chop around through until power hour. Oh, wow. Whoa. Yep, we got down there in a hurry. Yeah, there's some news coming out, guys. I don't know, yeah, I don't know, man. Because the thing is, Trump was like, yeah, this thing is basically over. But now, we are rejecting off of, oh yeah, 25-180 is also a 4-hour FEG. Oh yeah, we're tanking, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we're approaching 15-minute or 5-minute 200 SMA. Oh boy, this is a nasty candle so far. There's a lot of stuff coming across the news tape right now. This is going to be interesting. Let's see, because 25K is a huge level. If we get back below 25K, things could get interesting. Again. As if they're not already interested. Things will get interesting again if 25K can't hold. Because I think we held overnight. We did fine. We held up in the 900s in 25K. Hold on. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we are tanking, guys. Because Trump told us this thing was done. And I don't know. Now Pentagon is saying the war won't end until the enemy is defeated. What does that mean? Huh. Okay. We're getting to the downside, guys. 25K is on the radar. This is a big drop. We've fallen like 200 points in like 30 minutes. Almost 200 points. 25K better hold on. Because if 25K breaches, we got space to 983 on a 1 minute, and then below that we got space down. VWAP, what's my VWAP? 54. This could be just a VWAP pullback. We'll see. Nasty candle though. We haven't had any candles like this. Ooh. This 1 hour candle is gnarly. Well, it's not that bad. Let me look at the other. I thought I was looking at the 4 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Cause this is a big pullback. 1 hour. Yeah, this candle's huge. The bottom of the previous 4 hour candle is 892. Now, if we crack 25K, we've got a little bit of space down. 200 SMA on the one hour is 865. Let's go look at daily charts. What the daily's looking like. Ugh. From a daily perspective, we were big green. Now bears have a shot to flip this candle red. What was the open? The open was 981, guys. Hold on a minute. Yeah, there's news coming across the tape right now. Pentagon is saying the war isn't going to be over until the enemy is defeated. But we were told yesterday that everything is peachy creamy. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. 25K is trying to hold. Very volatile right here. 25K is a huge level. And there's a bunch of 1 hour FEGs in this little area right here. We'll see if it holds. 25K is critical for the bulls. Critical. Yeah, man. Wow. Bulls are fighting with everything they got right here, man. Sheesh. This 4 hour candle does not look too good so far. What a drop. $25K is working hard to hold. Bada bing, bada boom. Pull back action, guys. Pull back action. 25K, important. Nope. Might play this thing back up off the 25 level. We'll see. It is pushing. $25K is doing everything to hold. Wow. This thing is volatile right here. 25, yeah, 23. These are monthly levels right here. Do they hold though? That's the question. Nice push. Yeah, she's going. Dang, I missed my entry. I was trying to get in the 30s. Let's see if they give me another shot. Yeah. Trying to jump in the 20s. Stop below the lows. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Bears are coming with the heat, guys. Jeez. Okay. If we get back down to these levels, test it. Oh, it's leaving me. Yeah. They're working hard to like protect the 25K. Daily, we have daily levels in the 20s. So I might test it out up here. Where's my 5? Bottom of the 5 is a 200 SMA. Let's see. Yeah, they're definitely pushing. Yeah, I missed my entry. We'll see if they spin it back real quick. Bulls are trying to hold the above VWAP. They're fighting right now. Yeah, nice push back up. I was trying to catch it in the 20s. Wasn't quick enough. Super volatile down in the around 25K. Nice push. Heck of a push, man. Sheesh. Ooh. Here comes the drop zone. So now, off of VWAP, we got a shot. Hold on. Let me see. Was that yesterday's high too? Yeah, 58. 58 key level. She's taking off. See if she can hold. I got my entry down at like VWAP, so we'll see. I'll take it off of VWAP. We'll see if it can hold above. Yeah, there's a bunch of little news going on. Ooh, did it come all the way down? All right, I might take it below VWAP if it comes down that far. It might not hit my entry. The bulls want to keep going. We did dip though. Let's see how far they want to pull it. Bulls are defending, man. Heck of a push. They are defending. Let's see if they can hold on. We got a big 15-minute FEG right here too. Midpoint at like 52. Basically yesterday's high. All right, let's see. Let's see if they come down and get me. We'll see. Kind of want to get in like right around VWAP. Oh, uh-oh, here we go. Let's see if they come down and get me. VWAP is like right there. Sometimes they'll come in like sweep VWAP. Looks like they're trying to hold. test my luck. Oh man, it's leaving me again. Where are we at? 2:30. First 15-minute candle. Ooh, they're coming down. Hold on. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Ooh. Did it miss me? Okay, let me see if I can. I might jump in here. We'll see. Right at VWAP. It missed me. It missed me by like one tick. All right, we're in now. Okay, so look at how this works. When I play, ooh, did not mean to do that. Look at this. Okay, I'm still getting used to it, but look at this. This is how I play Top Step. Look at that. That's how I play Top Step. And all I'm looking for is like little pieces. Clean. Look at that. Dang. Maybe should have left that one. 50. Apex is 50% now, so consistency. So I don't have to be on the 50Ks. I used to like have my stop right at like 700. Now we can push up to like 1,000. Did you guys see that? That's how I play Top Step. I've never been able to do that on TradeOvate because usually I play off of this DOM on the right hand side. Okay, so what am I doing now? I might do I'm gonna take my time. VWAP, probably my favorite indicator. I just overlap it with everything else. VWAP has been there since the beginning, close to the beginning. Yeah. But yeah, that's how I play Top Step. I get in, key level, and then I pull that stop up as soon as I can, as soon as we're getting the move, so I can turn it red to green as soon as possible, and then I just track it up while I'm watching the price action. When you're playing off of the DOM, you're looking at the price action and you're looking at the DOM, you're looking at the price action, you're looking at the DOM. So it's like your attention is split. But if I'm looking at the price action and I'm watching how NQ moves off of the chart and I can move my orders on the chart, it helps so much. It helps a lot. And that's what I've been doing on Top Step. And I was like, dang, I can't do it for Apex. I was like even looking to see if Apex was on Top Step X so I could trade it the same way. But now I've figured it out. I took the weekend, played around with a couple things, had to click around, and now I think I got it. It takes a couple trials and errors, trial and error, but I'm figuring it out. I didn't know you could squeeze this. TradeOvate is like clunky. It's like old school. So you kind of gotta like figure things out, but it is like technical. Once you dive into like all the little things you can use, there's a lot of hotkeys you can use. I've never used the hotkeys, but I might. At some point, I'm gonna test them out. Just for like maybe like exit all, exit everything at market, things like that. Just in case. But yeah, did you guys see that? That's how I play Top Step. Quick and easy. So that's 7. This one's at 720. All of a sudden, these things are creeping up to payout, guys. they're creeping up. Just off of yesterday and today, it feels good. It feels way better than it did before last week and the months prior. So we'll see. We're gonna see. I'll try to keep this going. We still got VWAP down here. Ooh. They're battling right here, guys. Ooh. Wow. I don't know. Let me look at the news real quick. There's a lot of mixed stuff coming on. Deleted tweets. Absolute insanity. In just 2 hours, oil prices have now fallen $10 per barrel and risen $11 per barrel, with prices now nearing $90 per barrel again. This is unprecedented volatility. It is. Yeah, but ever since last year, the volatility has been different. It has definitely been different. It's definitely been different. Trump is in there, tariffs, all that good stuff, man. Volatility has been high. Okay, bulls are holding the line. 25K is very important. Oil prices are up and down. There, what's the ticker for oil on for futures? I gotta look that up. Am I still glitching? Let me know if I'm still glitching. I hope I'm not glitching. I don't think so. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Tyler, what's going on? Shout out to Tyler in the building. What's up, man? Long time no see. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year, guys. Yeah, but I think I like this. So we're gonna see. I just have to control any drawdowns. If I hit my mental daily loss limit, I have to stop, and then systematically decrease my risk as the drawdown is affected. Yeah, that'll be cool. That's gonna be interesting. Need that ASAP. And I still have to figure out 1, 2, 3. All right. We're getting a little bit of chop. We got a power hour coming in hot. 20 minutes. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to the Red Candles Nation. Shout out to Red Candles. Yeah, we are chopping around. We are sideways right now. Bears are trying to tank us, but the Bulls are doing everything they can to hold us up. Let me take cancel. Cancel. We're on again tonight too. We'll be on for an evening stream. Yeah. Wait. Four-hour midpoint, 4-hour FEG midpoint, all around this area. 25K to 25,060. There are a lot of gaps down here. We're back below VWAP. -minute 50 EMA on the oh, let me see, hold on. Yeah, 50 EMA is getting breached on the 15. Bulls are trying to hold, but these bears are different. If the bears fade this entire move back underneath 25,000, that would be insane. Because daily candles are like on the verge of flipping red right now. We opened at 24,981. So if they flip daily candles red after being so green, I don't know, man. Into the close, we could get some pullback. Yeah, look at this. The 4-hour candle looks, whoa. All right. So what was overnight lows? We're like at 9, I'll call it 24,900. 24,900, no. The 800s, I think. Yeah, 24,800s. 24,800. So let's see. I mean, we got like 200 points of space back down there, but we'll see. It's gonna be interesting to see how we close. But the bulls are doing a good job so far at holding 25K. We'll see. Now, if we spill below 25K, then you're opening the door for the bears to attack overnight lows. You're opening the door for that. So we'll see. Let's see if we can get another trade in. Shout out to Team Massive. Blessings. What's going on, Team Massive? Bro, I think I have figured out why I've been struggling on TradeOvate. Now I have figured out a way to trade off of the chart, just like I trade on TOPSTEP, and I think it's working because I'm seeing the results. I did the research over the weekend, and yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this week ends and how next week looks. Yes, bro. I feel that like when I started trading off of the chart for my Apex accounts, I was like, oh, okay, something feels different. I like this. Cause TOPSTEP, I can trade like it's like seamless. But TradeOvate, I was having an issue because I was trading off of the DOM, and then price action would be moving so crazy. Then sometimes the DOM will glitch up, and I'm like, man, what is going on? And then I'll miss a play, or yeah, there was just a lot of issues with the DOM. But now that I'm trading off of the chart, like I can focus on the chart. Before I would go from the DOM to the price action, from the price action to the DOM, back to the price action, and I'll be looking back and forth. So my attention is split. But when I'm trading TOPSTEP, my attention is on, ooh, did I just double click this thing? Oh, I thought it did something. I thought I unlocked. I thought I unlocked something new. Nah. But yeah, when I'm on TOPSTEP, I'm focused on the price action, and then I can move my stop up or down the way I need to. Before, for Apex accounts, I'll move my stop via the DOM. And when I'm trying to figure out the DOM, I would leave money on the table. I wouldn't move my stop up quick enough. But now that I'm working off of the chart, I can move my stop a lot quicker. And yeah, it's just gonna make me faster. On TOPSTEP X, I'm super fast. So now it's definitely gonna help with my Apex accounts. Just look at this. 2 days, this thing is $1,000 from payout. 1,200, 1,500, not 1,500, like 1,100. So now I'm bringing the TOPSTEP method over to my Apex accounts, and I'm seeing the results. It's going to be interesting. Team Massive says, I need that daily candle to turn red. Yeah, bro, look, we're almost there. We were just talking about it. I don't know if you were here. 24,981 is the open. So if we breach 25K and below into the 80s, that red candle turns red. That daily candle turns red, which is crazy because we were just at 2 something. We've dropped like 200 points in the last hour. Power hour is going to be very interesting. You're targeting 830? Yeah. What is we were just looking at overnight lows. What is the low? I think it was in the 8 somethings. Let me see if I can find it. 5 a.m. No, we don't want 5 a.m. Yeah, down here. Okay, yeah, 8:30. 8:30 is the low. Okay, cool. We'll see what the bears can do. Power hour will give us the volume we need for somebody to make a decision. Bulls are fighting with every inch they have. They're not playing no games. They're like the bears. You bears will not breach 25K. But bears are definitely trying. We got a lot of gaps down here. 25K just in general is a huge level, a very huge level. Excuse me. 25K, look at how we've been chopping around. We have been chopping around. I kind of want to go short, but I'm trying to wait till power hour, and then I might test the waters again. We'll see. I think through all my funded accounts, I'm down like 600, I think. But that's because of one, I kind of went overboard on a 150K account. I was using like 2 or 3 minis. Things can fall apart very quickly with 2 or 3 minis. Yeah, just got caught in the chop at the open. But other than that, all the other accounts did. All the other accounts did very well. So I'm gonna try to keep this going. This is gonna be very interesting. It's been a while since my last Apex payout, but hopefully this strategy gets me there. With the trailing drawdown. Yeah, I haven't tried the end of day accounts yet, but the goal is to get another payout and then I'll max them out. The goal is to get to, ideally I want 2150K end of day accounts, PAs. Or we can do like 1010, or I could start off with 2050K end of day accounts, and then once I get payouts from that, then I'll upgrade to 2150K accounts. That's the goal right there though. 2150K accounts, that is the goal. Right now I have like eight PAs, mostly 50Ks and like one 50K. So I'm gonna try to pass some more 150Ks during CPI. And we'll see. This is gonna be interesting though. Once I get some more 150Ks, I'm gonna shout out to Rummy 441. Oh yeah, I gotta upgrade that. I tried to upgrade it yesterday, but for some reason, where I'm like, where my backdrop is streaming from, won't let me edit it. I have to go back and see what is wrong with it, but for some reason it froze. So like, I can't really move anything around yet. So I'll try to do it before the evening stream. I'm very aware, Rummy. I appreciate it though. Shout out to Team Massive. Team Massive says, yeah, that 832 level will be the official flip of the candle. It's 832 or not 9? Oh, flip of the candle completely. Okay, right. I'm looking at it from like the open of the day. That would flip everything around. You're right. That'll make it a big red candle back to the downside. Shout out to Team Massive. All right, guys, power hour's coming in hot. We've been chopping around. We'll see what direction we go in, guys. Power hour should be good. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading? What do you trade? If you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream so you can see things better. There are 2 streams going. So click the link without the V next to the 198, and that's the horizontal stream. Shout out to Tweezy 456 in the building. These bears are not playing right now. This is a big battle. This is essentially a battle for 25K. Do we stay above it or do we fall below it? Shout out to Rummy 441. Shout out to Team Massive 95, 94. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. CPI coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. CPI bright and early tomorrow. Bright and early, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this thing. I kind of want to take this thing to the downside. We'll see. Let me check my... Yeah, and we do have monthly levels in the 20s. There are a lot of levels right here in this little section. We have a lot of levels. I could have played down from VWAP. I might do it, guys. Let me see. I don't trust these bulls though, man. These bulls will trap you in a second. Um, 68, 47. All right. Might as well test it out. All right, let's see if we can get something in. Uh-oh, trade a bait. We got 5 minutes until the 1 hour candle. Let's see how the 1 hour candle opens up. Power hour coming in hot. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. I got my shorts program back. So we're about to get the shorts going again. I am watching this. If we do, if I go short, ooh, I think I'm missing the move. Am I missing it? VWAP is like 53, right? Yesterday's high is 59, key level, super duper key level. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Why did I just do that? All right, let me see. Do we play down from VWAP? I might try it. Right now they're squeezing, but the thing is that this fresh 1 hour candle could spike us up. It could spike us down. So I want to wait until the 1 hour candle opens up and then I might test it back down. I could get in right now and pull that stop up, but we'll see. All right, this account is up like 489. Do I want to risk it? The drawdown on this one's not that much. It's getting low, but we'll see. There's a lot of headache to the downside. There's a lot of headache to the upside. I'm gonna wait until we pick a direction. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, we're getting the push, man. Maybe I should have got in with a small size. Tested it. Tested the open. We got 30 seconds. Power hour coming in hot. Power hour's coming in hot. All right, let's see. We should be on for evening stream. Got some things to do. Okay, look, let's see how we push. Bears are looking hungry, guys. The Bears are looking hungry. Let's see how we open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, where are we going, guys? Where are we going? It's just there are a lot of levels. I don't even want to test anything in here, man. It's choppy. the bears want to do. Yeah, it looks like they want to tank. 25K is on the radar, ladies and gentlemen. But you do have some resting orders down here. That's the last swing low. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday, guys. Ooh, big battle. Big battle to open the hourly candle. We are getting a little bit of a drop. So now if you look at 1 minute trend, we're to the downside, but we'll see if we get continuation. There's a big battle at 25K on NQ. Huge battle. Huge battle. So we'll see. I'm sitting here just looking to see if I can get short, but I kind of waiting to see if we breach 25K. Now, if we breach 25K, I think I'll take that down. 25K to 24,980. Then below that, we have space to essentially 900. So we'll see. If I get a good entry, I'll jump in, but for now, I'm just watching. We're back and forth. If anything, I might like shrink size, play down from like VWAP instead of playing with a mini. Big battle right here. Bears are trying to like snap down, but bulls are like, we're gonna make it difficult. We're gonna make it difficult for you. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the pinned comment, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are doing well. Shout out to Team Massive. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to Rummy in the chat. All right, 200 SMA on the 5 is starting to breach. Let's see if we get continuation. Ooh, they're trying it. All right, we're just gonna watch and see. 25K is incoming. Let's see if the bulls can hold. Coming in hot. We have CPI tomorrow morning coming in hot. Bright and early, ladies and gentlemen. I'm kind of tracking this news as well. The Pentagon says the Iran war won't be over until the enemy is defeated. And what did Trump say exactly yesterday? Trump was like, "We're good, guys." I said that I think the Iran war is very complete, pretty much. Those were his words. That's what's shot us up hundreds of points. But now Pentagon is saying the war isn't going to be over until the enemy is defeated. So what does that mean? So now, the markets jumped because of that. So now when Pentagon is coming in with the way that message looks, is like things aren't done yet. Shout out to Johan. What's going on? Trump said crap like always. The usual, right? But what he said, man, the bulls came in hot. Was it a trap? I don't know. We're about to find out right now, though. If we get back to overnight lows, That's going to be interesting going into overnight sessions. We also have a CPI tomorrow, so we got two. We have the rest of this hour into the close, and then we got overnight. So we'll see how things react, and then CPI prints. Boom. CPI is going to send us in either direction, 100 or 2. We'll see how things pan out. CPI numbers coming in hot. It's going to be interesting. CPI could send us in either direction, man. There's no telling. So that, along with oil prices, along with the war, it's a lot going on right now. Then we have GDP and core PCE coming in hot on Friday. I kind of want to leave this alone. We'll see. If we breach 25K, I might touch it. Ooh, they're going for it. They're trying it right here. They're trying it. So now, what's my thinkers for me? They're trying it. We're getting closer to 25,010. Oh wow! If you look from a 15-minute perspective, we got space to the last swing low, and that's down at like 980, and we are getting below some monthly levels, some key monthly levels. So it's going to be interesting. Let's see how this works. What level is this? That's 45. I might test it down. We'll see. Will the bulls hold the line? We'll see. Ooh, nice push. Okay. All right, all right. Price action is interesting right now. Very interesting. Well, we checked in. How low did we get? 25,009. Hey man, I might mess with it here. Hold on. Let's see if they can hold. I might test it down here. Let's see. Let's see if they can hold the line. I got my stop below the 1 minute. Ooh, they're trying. Uh-oh. Whoa, what just happened? What did I just do? All right, growing pains with Tradeovate chart trader. What was that? Oh man, yeah, bulls look good. They're trying it. We're getting back to VWAP, guys. 15-minute candles are green. Let's see. If they squeeze this 1 minute one more time, I might test it. Oh, I'm missing it. Squeeze it. All right, let's test it. Watching to see if we can get a retest of VWAP. There we go. Oh, get up there. I'm moving my stop up. Oh, they're pulling it. I'm looking for a retest of VWAP, but we're not getting it yet. Oh, bears coming in hot. Ah, yeah, they got me. I thought they were going to at least sweep it, but now here come the bears. It looks like they want 25K. That was a big drop. Am I glitching? All right, let's test this. Uh-oh, did I hit it right? Are they gonna bring it all the way back up? We'll see. Watching to see if they flush. Pulling my stop. Oh, come on. Bears, what are we doing? All right, there we go. I think we're getting something, guys. Hold on. All right. Oh. Trying to get in there, man. I got my stop right above the candle, looking for a drop. I want a test of 25K if we can get it. Okay, I think we're getting it, guys. We're getting it. I think we're getting it. Oh, we're getting it. Get down there. I think we're getting it, guys. Yeah, this is going to be different. I want the flush. Get down there. All right. They're definitely trying. Somebody's trying. VWAP, the 20s are key levels. Right here is like we're right at like some monthly levels. So I'm watching to see if we drop from the monthly levels. That's what I'm testing. Yo, are we glitching right now? My Tradeovate is going crazy. Come on, get down there. If they push it back up, I'll be done. I'm looking for a test of 25K. Let's go. Uh-oh, dang. I just tried to drop my stop and it didn't work. Okay. Get down there. I got a tight stop. I don't want this thing to pop out of nowhere. Come on, get down there. I need 12.10, bro. Or 25.10. Yeah, I feel like am I glitching? Come on, get down there. Okay, now we're getting something. Hold on. Go. We're sitting right at like some monthly levels. And that's what I'm battling with right now. The bulls do not want to let go of this level, man, at all. Nice push back up. Solid. Wow. Heck of a push. 25,058 is yesterday's high. So let's see, do they want to take it up? This was the retest of VWAP I was looking for. They turned it around early last time. Candles look good to the upside. So we'll see. If we get another squeeze, what does my thinkorswim look like? It's still there are a lot of levels right here. But the 1 hour does look decent. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Let's see if we can get a VWAP reclaim. Can we get a VWAP reclaim? Let's see. Oh, did I get it? VWAP reclaim, get up there. She's testing it. I just need continuation. right, there we go. If they pull me, pull me. Come on, blast off. I'll put my stop at the bottom of the candle and try to let it go. VY battle right here. Oh, they're flipping it. Big battle right here. Huge. We're getting the VY reject so far. Yeah, they got me. We're getting some interesting play. This is power hour price action right here. Let's see if we get some continuation. Still testing the level. We're not getting anything. Dang. Bears aren't letting go. Yeah, they're trying to flip it. Bulls got to work really hard to get out of this. Yeah, they got me. I might break even on this guy now. I'm looking for a breach of the VWAP. If we can get it. We're kind of struggling right now. Okay. Let's see if we can get something. Another reject? Come on, Bulls. They got the momentum. Just looking for a breach and go. If we can get it. I'm glitching a little bit. Break free. Break free, man. Go. There it is. Now we're getting some type of release. Let's see how far they go. Get out of there. Will I stop? Right here. Can she keep going? Hold the line, hold the line, hold the line. Key levels right here, a whole bunch of key levels. So we'll see if things can hold. Up to 300, 300, 300. I'm gonna pull my stop up to the bottom of this puppy. Let's see if she can keep going. Getting a little bit of a push. I need a push to the 60s, 70s, 80s. There we go. We're getting something. Continuation, man. Get up there. I don't see any gaps. We got space up. Come on, baby. Get up there. At this point, I need the 80s and above so we can get up there. All right, I'm moving my stop up to the bottom of each wick. See if we can keep going. Move the, see, before I wouldn't do this. I'll be looking at the DOM, I'll be looking back and forth. There'll be a lot going on. I'll be looking at the DOM, I'll be looking at price action, I'll be looking at the DOM, I'll be looking at price action. But now, when I enter into plays, I'm just in. And I can focus on the price action, and I'm playing off of the chart. Oh, we're going VWAP again. VWAP retest right there. Let's see if we can get some continuation. Did they want to come lower? There we go. Get up there, man. Can we get some continuation? Trying to give it a little bit of room. If we get back to VWAP, I'm back in. Okay. Ooh. Did I miss it? I didn't miss it. All right. Ooh. Come on, buddy. What are we doing? We're sitting right at VWAP, watching to see if we get another VWAP retest. That's your retest right there. But does it hold? Ooh, no, it doesn't. Oh my gosh. You can't beat the price action of NQ, man. You can't beat it. You cannot beat the price action of NQ. It is not a game. All right, let me look at Thinkorswim real quick. Crazy action right now. Ooh, just like that. We're back down to monthly levels in the 20s. Insanity. Now it looks like we're gonna get down to 20K. Wow. Yeah, I missed the entry. I don't even want to chase this. I'm not messing with it. This one doesn't have that much in it, right? Yeah, that's like 1,000 left. Ooh, here we go, guys. 25K right here, guys. Very interesting price action. They just trapped a lot of people in the 20s. That was crazy. Let's see if they hold. Right now they're looking weak. If we push back into like the 30s, I might take it back down. I'm gonna test my luck. Right here. Boom. Oh, I'm glitching a little bit. I'm glitching, guys. Let's see if we get a reversal. Can we get a reversal? No, we are not getting a reversal. We are not getting a reversal. Come on, get back down here. All right, let's go. Let's see. I'm testing it. I'm gonna put my stop right above the high and see if they flush us back down. Oh no, what did I just do? Yeah, they're coming. That drop was nasty though. Are the bulls gonna hold it? That drop was super nasty. Ooh, here come the bulls. This price action is crazy, guys. Insane. They're trying to push back up. Nice. Wow. Wild price action right now, man. That was a nasty candle to the downside. But the bulls are holding the line. We got down to 25K, 2503. They're holding. What a drop. I could play off the last swing high. Ooh, did I miss it? Big price action right now. It could go either way. I want this thing to like drop into the 90s. Ooh, we might get it. Let's see. Oh, I think we're getting it. Get down there. I need it to like just like fall apart right now. All right. Get down there, man. All right, let's see. Do you want to flip this thing completely? I got my stop right above the high. Looking for a real challenge of 25K, but we're kind of not getting it right now. Bulls are doing everything they can to like hold this level. Get down there. All right, now we're getting something. All right, I'm gonna hold. Ooh, boy. We got space down, ladies and gentlemen. She might go for it. Yeah, I had to take that. All right, I'm not messing with this thing anymore. Up 530 on this account. We're just gonna leave it alone. I'm looking for a real challenge of 25K, but we get down there, bulls are trying to defend. We get down there, bulls are trying to defend. I'm looking for a breach, but I'll take what we got. What's the drawdown? It's like, yeah. And look, do you guys see the draw? Do you guys see the drawdown on this? Oh, we're getting it. Dang it. I needed like 30 seconds more, man. 30 seconds more. That's all I needed. Dang it. All right. All good, man. Price is going to continue. It's okay. Shout out to Trades by Matt. All right, now we're getting a 1200 EMA. 1200 EMA challenge on the 1 minute. I'll take it, man. Dang, this is the drop I was looking for. It stopped me out right before it did this. It's all good though. I'll take it. I could use, where are we at now? 25K. I have another screen for my micros. That's what I need to do. Add another screen for the micros. 25K critical. Whoa, is this even the right one? I don't even know which one it is. What was it, 347? Okay, bulls are trying to hold. Can they hold the line? Let me go to why does it do that? Team Massive, the big battle right here, man. Not a game. They're not playing any games, man. This is a war right here. This is a war for 25K. Round numbers on NQ, not a game. Pay attention to them. This is where you can get some good moves, up or down. Get down there. Get down there. Let's test her out. I'm about to use some micros and see if they want to get back below 25K. Something, oh, see, that's the one thing about this. Sometimes when you move your stop, like it's tough. Get back down. Get down there. T Massive says, get down there, man. Here we go, Bears. Here we go. Here we go, Bears. Here we go. Here we go, Bears. Here we go. Fresh 15-minute candle coming in hot. Couple of seconds, guys. Let's see if she takes us to the abyss. Let's see if she takes us to the abyss. Get down there. Get down there. 25K breached again. Do we get continuation, guys? Woo! Price action, price action, price action, price action, guys. Insane. Ooh, I'm getting them with the micros, guys. I'm getting them with the micros. Let me move this stop down. I'm getting them with the micros. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think I have my screen on this one. Dang, I caught that flush. All right. Oh, but you could see the P&L on this one, right? Yeah, you could see the P&L. I was on another screen, so I have two different screens. I got a 3-panel for my minis, and then I have my 3-panel for my micros. So I don't have to be clicking back and forth. Nice, let's go. Team Massive, we're getting there. Team Massive, we're getting there. Yo, I'm liking the new method, the new Trade of 8 method. Way better than the Dom. And somebody mentioned that like last year. They're like, you trade off the Dom? And I'm like, yeah, that's what I've been using. And I had good success with it, but I don't know. Maybe I've kind of shifted my scalping style. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know, guys. It's hard to tell because I have a lot. I'm gonna go back and look at the archives because I record most of my trades. So it's just this thing over here, the Dom on this side is just a headache sometimes. Then I'll have like orders sitting there that should have been exited out of, and then all of a sudden I'll be just minding my business and then I hear order filled. If you've been trading for a long time, you know what I mean. When you hear order filled and you're just sitting there enjoying some food, watching some YouTube, and all of a sudden you hear order filled, it's a scramble. You're like, what the heck was that? And thankfully, you left the platform up. Sometimes I'll close. There's been one or two times where I closed my platform, left some orders on, and by the time I got back to the platform, those accounts were gone. They were blown. 25K is the battlefield. Look at that. All right, nice. I caught this little pullback right before the new candle. All right, that means I gotta figure out a way to get the other Trade of 8 screen up. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading? What do you trade? Shout out to everybody in the short stream. All right, man, let's keep going. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. If you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream. Shout out to all the new subscribers as well. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. Yo, I just thought about like how Apex has their 6 payouts, right? I don't think it doesn't matter the size. So that's gonna be interesting. Because if you're able to pull 6 payouts, technically those can all be like the bare minimum payouts. Very interesting. All right, we'll figure something out. What's today? Today is the 10th. What else do I have to do, man? Oh yeah, we're tanking, guys. Team Massive, we're getting down there, slowly but surely. Nice. So how did that look? If I'm on a different screen, I had the P&L going on the other side. What happened? I want to see how it looks. So if I'm on another screen, you're just going to see the numbers jumping around. Is this the one? I caught the move like before when we were dropping, right? Yeah, you could see the P&L on the stream. Okay, that's good. I was trying to figure out, could I only see it on my screen or could you guys see it as well? Yeah, you could see it. Nice. That was with like five micros and a nice drop. What was the final? You know what I don't have on the other screen? My other EMAs, the 200. Oh, no, hold on. Yeah, I don't have those on my other screen. I gotta do that after the close. I gotta have those puppies on. Solid. Wow. Insane. Yo, at least I caught that drop. The initial drop, I couldn't catch it. Nice. We'll take it. $50 retracement. No, not 50. 50% consistency is 1,000 on the 50Ks. All of a sudden, Apex accounts are looking good. Apex accounts are looking good. Team Massive, you still in? We're at like 960. That was like our low. It looks like we can continue lower. Below 25K, bears can step on the gas. Oh, we got MOC in 12 minutes. MOC in 12 minutes. You know what that means. We could drop 50 or we can pop 50. MOC can get interesting. All right, guys, we did great with the, man, outside of the 150K where we took a hit, all the other accounts did very well today. 25K retest right here, guys. Bulls are trying to sneak back up. Ooh. 15-minute candle wants to flip green and hold. Ugh. Big battle right here, man. Look at that. 20-point snaps. Wow. 25,000 is the battle zone, ladies and gentlemen. If you're trading NQ, 25,000 is the battle zone. We've been back and forth. We sliced through it. Now we're trying to reclaim. Crazy price action. All week, it's been crazy price action since the open on Sunday. It's been insane. We dropped to 24,000. We popped to 25,000. Now we're at 25,000. Now the bears look like they want to press back down. But we'll see. We got 10 minutes until MOC. MOC could flip this whole thing on its head, but we'll see. Or the bulls could reclaim back to the upside. It's a toss-up. Ooh, Team massive. Do you see this? Wow. What's happening? Is there news? Yo, this price action is wild. Yo, we just dropped 40 points. Now we're back up 60 points. No problemo. That's what I'm talking about. This is my type of price action. This is insane. Oh yeah, I need my charger. Give me 1 second. Didn't I have it like right? Okay, yeah. All right, we're at the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. We're getting a rejection from there. Let's see if the bulls can hold the line. 200 SMA on the 5 minute is 532. And that's what we just kind of checked in with. We'll see if the bulls can get back up there and reclaim. Right now, what a battle. What a battle. We're flying around 30 points at a time. Oh my gosh. Look at this, man. This is great. Look at this action. This is like non-farm. Whoa. Big battle, guys. Bears just let the bulls jump up a little bit for the trap. And now bears are like, nope. 25K is the battle zone. In order for the bears to take over again, they got to get below that last swing low on the 1 minute. It's like in the 960s. So they would need a flush soon, because MOC's coming in hot. MOC could, if we're above 25K before MOC, bulls could take advantage. If we're below 25K before MOC, bears could take advantage. It's like a seesaw. Or no, it's like tug of war. So we'll see who has the momentum in like 5 minutes. It's gonna be interesting. Big battle. What a battle, guys. And we got a mini gap right here on the 5 minute. Let me see. There is a mini gap. Let me draw it out. Whatever this is, it's small, but I don't know. Even the smallest gaps, I've seen reactions off of them. That's really small. I'll leave it alone. Look at the wicks. The wicks on this 5 minute candle. This 15 minute candle, back and forth. Good times, man. NQ never fails to give us crazy price action. Team Master says, yeah, I'm still in. Nice. All right, MOC is coming in hot, man. Let's see how this goes. Man, we still have those monthly levels in the 20s. Let's actually go to see what those levels are again. Let me see if I can find it. Let me switch to TOPSTEP real quick. Yeah, good day overall. Overall, for sure. I can definitely feel that this new method on Tradeovate is gonna be great. Oh, dang, we got another level I forgot about is yesterday's close. And that's right at basically the 960 level. Yesterday's close is gonna be, sometimes it can be a bounce point, but if we slash through it, that gives the bear some momentum. So 5 minutes until MOC, let's see where we go. I'm trying to get what's the exact close for yesterday? Yesterday's close is 958, right? So if we breach that, Bears will reload, but gotta get below that for some extra bears to step in. Will they flip this candle? Oh yeah, because what's the open of the candle? 81, right? Yeah. They're going for it. They're trying it, man. And we got down there for a second. So the daily candle did flip red for a second, like 15 minutes ago. So now it looks like we're gonna get some continuation on the 5. We'll see. But 958 is key. Yeah, 958 is key. Let's see if they can get down there. 958 is yesterday's close. So if they get below 958, this big green candle we had today will be red. All of a sudden. What was I supposed to be doing? I need to check on news too, right? Anything interesting in the last hour? MOC's coming in hot, guys. 3 minutes. Two minutes ago, Trump says we have no reports of Iran putting mines in the Strait of Hormuz. Removing possible mines will be a step in the right direction if mines are not removed. Forthwith. Dang, I'm choking over here. All right, we're good. If Iran has put mines in Hormuz, we want them removed. Yeah, it's a whole lot of war talk going on right now. There's a lot going on. We're pushing back to, ooh, they're going for it. Yo, daily candles are red right now. Yesterday's close is 958, and the bears just tried it. Let's see what happens. Do we get continuation? Yo, this 4-hour candle is looking to engulf the previous 4-hour candle. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Like Team Massive said, 830s is the goal. And right now, it looks like they want to get down there. This is insane. Wild price action. Yo, look at all the gaps we drew at the highs. And look at how they held. That's wild. FEGs for the win. Oh, 58. Huh. Very interesting. The trend is your friend, right? The bottom of the last 4-hour candle we had is basically, call it like 890s. Ooh, what do we have? MOC in 30 seconds, guys. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Team Massive, which way we going, man? MOC in like 15 seconds, guys. We could go either way. This is gonna be fun. Let's see what direction we go in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ooh. Candle came in hot, guys. Came in real hot. Oh, the Bears. The Bears are winning so far. Team Massive. 830s are within striking range. We're like 100 points away. And you know that can happen during MOC. Will they hold it? You gotta breach 900 before that's possible. Oh man, the bears are coming in hot, guys. Yeah, man, I think what Trump said yesterday was, I don't know. Because right now they're talking about the war isn't over. It was supposed to be complete. Things were supposed to be complete. He says, I think everything is complete. That's what he said. And it looks like there is unfinished business. Whoa. Are they going to hold it steady? 900 is the level to breach if we're going to get to 830s. Let me check the thinkorswim levels real quick. Key levels right here, man. Super key levels. 958 is yesterday's close. 952 is last month's close. Yes, last month's close. And then below that, we got space. We got space to 1 hour swing low. And that's down in like the 880s. So there's no telling right here. Big battle at yesterday's close right here. Watching to see if we get continuation to the downside. 15-minute 1200 EMA is at 24,900. Call it 24,900. Ooh, oh, bulls. Bulls, are you gonna fight back? You can't beat this price action, man. NQ's price action is insane. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? It's good times. Here we go, bulls. Here we go. If you're on the vertical stream, come over to the horizontal stream. You can see you'll be able to see the screen a lot better. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Wild price action today, man. Literally insane, man. Crazy. We were just at 24,000 yesterday. Now we're at 25,000. We breached 25,000, reached for the 200s. Now we're back in the 24,900s. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Johan. Shout out to Joanne. Shout out to Team Massive 95, 94. Shout out to Joanne. Shout out to Rummy 441. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're in here, man. We are in here. We should be on for evening stream as well. Let's see what Asia session has to offer. But yeah, I think I have to, if I touch Asia session, it's going to be small size. That's the goal. Yeah, this method helps a whole lot. It's way better. I can see the price action, move my stops around on the fly. I don't have to take my eye off the candle. That is the goal. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to the mod squad. Shout out to the moderators, man. Wild action, man. Power hour was wild action. Covered like 100 points. Yeah, we've covered 100 points back and forth since the start of the hour. Plenty of range. NQ gives you all the range you need, man. All you need is 10 points, 20 points here, 10 points there. You're done for the day. Bada bing, bada boom. Wild action, guys. Yo, this 4-hour candle is about to engulf the previous 4-hour candle. And usually when that happens, we continue in the direction of the candle that did the engulfing. Big 4-hour candle reject at 200 SMA and the 25,000. It was at the 25,080 level. It was around there. No, 25,180 level. Yeah. Insane price action, guys. Can't beat it. You cannot beat NQ's NQ action. Plenty of range. Wow. 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, this 4-hour is tanking, guys. All the progress we've made in the last 4 hours is getting eaten up right now. The bottom of this candle is 897. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting. 900 is going to be a key level to watch. Between 900 and 25K for sure. Good times, man. Shout out to Team Massive. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Do we get on tonight? I think we will. Maybe for a couple hours. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. That's another thing. I need to go over last week's. I think Friday. Yeah, I gotta go over Friday's P&L. I need to fill it in. Checking to see if there's any news into the close. Yo, who just got in the Discord? I am him for real. Say something. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Oh yeah, let me see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks like market makers are gonna hold her steady. Then we might get the real move into Asia and London. We'll see. CPI coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. The bell is incoming. I think Oracle reports earnings today. After the bell. Whoa, what does it say? The stream what? Oh man, this thing better not kick me off. I'm about to end the stream, man. They better not do that. All right, guys. I am out. You guys be safe. I should be back on later on tonight. If I can knock everything out. You guys be safe. Be safe, be safe, guys. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Team Massive. Shout out to Joanne. Who else was in here? Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to Rummy 441. 441. I'm gonna work on changing the Lucid sign. Shout out to Team Massive. 9594. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Tonight, we should be back on. Trust the process, don't rush the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to Team Massive. Blessings, brother. Yes, sir. Trust the process, do not rush the process. Base hits win the game. Plan your trade and trade your plan, ladies and gentlemen. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Happy Tuesday. I should be back on later tonight. You guys be safe. I'll see you guys soon. Discipline equals freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. It's a marathon. Enjoy the journey. There are going to be W's and L's on the journey. Embrace them and keep going, and you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. You guys be safe. Be good to yourselves and be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Should be back on tonight. I will see you guys soon. Peace.